These are the C Wire new frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frame is upside down and on a solid flat surface. You are going to be unscrewing the screw right here, which attaches the temple part and the frontal part of the frame. So you're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver and insert it into the screw and just twist to the left until the screw comes out, but you don't want to turn your frame back upright that way because you might lose your screw. The lens should then just pop out, just like that. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to put the lens back into the fitted grooves of the frame. You want to start by putting it into the frame over here. That way you could secure it more easily. And once you do so, you line up the rest of the frame with your glasses and you just press down just to secure it. And you're going to take your screwdriver, insert it back into the screw, and then just push down and twist to the right. And that should be it.